Hello guys, myself Amrita. Welcome back to my channel TechnoSage. So today we are going to solve one very important programming interview question, that is to find the frequency of each element in an array. So time complexity of this approach would be O of n square, and in the subsequent video we'll also try to solve this problem with the reduced time complexity. So let's get started. First we'll understand the problem and then we'll try to solve it. So I have taken one array which has elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3 and 1. As you can see that there are repeated elements, so we have to find the frequency of each element. Frequency means how many times that particular element is appearing in the array. For example, if I take this element 1, so 1 is here and 1 is also here, so that means frequency of 1 should be 2 because it is appearing 2 times. Next element is 2. 2 is appearing 1, 2, 3 times. So frequency of 2 should be 3. Similarly, 3 is appearing 2 times, so frequency of 3 should be 2. And 4 is appearing only once in the array, so frequency of 4 should be 1. So this is the output which we need to print, that element and its frequency. So what approach we are going to use is, we'll take the first element, we'll compare it with all the other elements, and if we find out that this element is appearing, next time we will update the count of this element. For example, in the first iteration, we'll check whether 1 is equals to 2, no. 1 is equals to 3, no. 1 is equal to 4, no. So when it comes here, that time this condition will become true, that means 1 is equal to 1. So that time we should update the frequency of 1 as 2. So that means by default we need to take the frequency as 1, or we can say that we'll take count as 1. So when 1 is equal to 1, that means by default the count is 1, we have to update is plus 1, that means 2. Similarly 2, when we come to the next element, that is 2. When here it comes 2 is equals to 2, that time count should be updated as 1 is already there, 1 plus 1. Again it comes here 2 is again equals to 2, that means again it should be plus 1 equals to 3. Similarly it should do for 3 and 4. So we have to update the count. But here is one catch. Okay, so since we have already updated for 1, 2, 3 and 4, again when it comes here 2, since we have already got the count for 2 as 3, so we don't want to update it again, right? So we have to set this element to visited, that means it is already visited, so that we don't update the count again. So let's write the solution for it. I have opened IntelliJ. This is our array, so we'll write the program. So now we want to save this frequency somewhere, right, so that we can print it. So we'll take one new array where we will save only the frequencies. We already have one array where we have elements, and another array will save the frequencies, and then we will print both. Okay, so let's take another array. We can name it as frequency, and its length should be arr dot length. Okay, and as I told you that we have to set element as visited, so we'll take an integer as visited and we'll set it as -1. That means that element is already visited and we don't want to update it again. So let's write the loop. First loop will be from 0th element till arr dot length I plus plus, and second loop should be from the second element, that is from the first element, that is j is equals to I plus 1, j less than arr dot length j plus plus. So now what should be the condition? If arr of I is equals to arr of j, then we have to update the count, but we need to take the default count as 1. So we will take one integer count and we'll set it as by default 1. And if arr of I is equals to arr of j, then we have to update that count, that is count plus plus. And also since we have updated the count for this particular element, we have to set it as visited, that is frequency of j is equals to visited. That is, this element is already visited, so we don't want to update it again. So now we have to update the count only if it is not visited. If frequency of I is not visited, then update the count, right? What will be the count? Frequency of I, because we are saving the count in the frequency array. Frequency of I is equal to count. Okay, so now let's print it. For int I is equals to 0, I less than frequency dot length I plus plus. Now we want to print only for unique element, so we have to put that condition again. If frequency of I is not visited, then only we have to print that, right? System dot out dot println element frequency. And now what is the what is our element? That is ARR of I, and since we have saved the frequency in the frequency array, so frequency should be frequency of I, right? So yeah, the program is done. Let's run it and we'll see the output. So you can see the output clearly. That element is 1, its frequency is 2. For 2 it is 3, for 3 it is 2, and for 4 it is 1. So that is how we can solve this problem using 2 loops. I hope you understood the solution. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching, and stay tuned for other programming problems. Thank you guys.